AI is taking over. It's everywhere. And you probably have heard about ChatGPT, and everyone is talking about it.
ChatGPT.
So, but how can you use AI for your e-commerce business? Because you have to jump in and use this new AI software and see how you can best use it for your own business, for your e-commerce business. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the ways you can use AI softwares, especially ChatGPT, for your e-commerce business so that you get success. Because ChatGPT is such a game changer right now, especially if you're going to be using it for your e-commerce business. It's going to be useful in so many ways to make your life much easier as an entrepreneur, as a store owner, as an e-commerce business owner. So this will help you in so many other areas in your business, including your content creation, your marketing, your customer service, and even helping you to make even more sales. So you don't want to miss out on this. So get comfortable with ChatGPT and take advantage of it right now. So one way that your e-commerce business can use ChatGPT in the business is to use it for customer service. So you do that by integrating ChatGPT into your chatbot, and you can provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries, which can help improve customer satisfaction and increase trust with your brand. So that's one way you can use ChatGPT in your business. The second thing that you can do to use ChatGPT in your business is to integrate it into your chatbot, right? So you first need to have an access to API. Once you have that, you can use pre-built models or fine-tune the models to suit your specific use and case, right? So for example, if you're a clothing retailer, clothing store, you can train a model on your product catalogs and use it to answer customer questions about sizing, about availability. So this really helps you out. So if you're able to do that, it saves you so much headaches down the line. So another way that businesses can use ChatGPT is for things like product recommendations, right? So by training a model on your product catalog, you can provide personalized product recommendations to customers based on their browsing history or purchase history on your website. So an example is, let's say a customer recently purchased a pair of shoes from your website. So by using ChatGPT, you can recommend similar shoes to that customer or other products that complement the purchase they've already made. So in this way, it's increasing the chances of a customer making another purchase, because now you're tailoring all the things that you're offering them related to their previous purchase behaviors on your website. And that's another cool way of using ChatGPT in your business. So ChatGPT can also be used for content creation. So this is a very, very powerful one, because sometimes when it comes to content creation, it can take so much time, and sometimes you end up having to outsource it all the time, right? So this will actually help you to save you time and money. Now you don't have to be always outsourcing, getting someone else to create that content. You can easily do that with ChatGPT in minutes. In a few seconds, you'll be able to create so much content using ChatGPT. So all you have to do is by training a model on your brand's tone and style, and you can generate things like your social media posts, your marketing materials, and it can give you so many ideas. So it all depends on how you are inputting the questions into ChatGPT, but it can help you create all the content that you want, any copywriting information that you want in your business, by using that ChatGPT to provide you with that content that you're looking for your business. So the other thing that ChatGPT can help you out with your business is to help you with your product description for your website. That's a game changer. It can help you create all that quite easily and saves you so much time. It can also help you come up with copy for your ads. So this can be replaced, some of those content, those copywriters that you have, right? But I know a lot of people have been having so many arguments about this, whether it does replace those copywriters or not, right? Because this is through a machine, so it doesn't give that human psychology component to it, right? So you also have to keep that in mind, that this is the machine generated content that you're going to be using, or copywriting that you're going to be using, and it does at some point also miss that human element. So you have to keep that in mind when you're creating your marketing material, your content, and your ads copy, to say, hey, make sure you always edit out put some human touch to it and some psychology, or those things that make people buy in your copy. So in a way, it helps you out, speed up the process, but also, I don't know, what do you think? Is it gonna replace some copywriters or not? So let me know down in the comments below. I think it's a good thing, but also see how it can be threatening some other people's jobs, right? Because it does pretty much almost anything. So this is a powerful tool for your business. And also you can integrate ChatGPT to be that customer service on your website. So people coming up with questions on your website, you can train your ChatGPT to be able to respond to those customer questions that they're always asking, and it gives that whole shopping experience more engaging and intuitive, and leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction when you integrate ChatGPT into your website. So finally, ChatGPT can be trained on your customer data and personalized communication and offers, such as sending out emails. This can increase customer engagement and trust in your brand, leading to more sales and repeat customers. So it will help you out with that component of personalized communications with your customers and offering more offers to make more sales. So there you have it. These are just a few of the ways that ChatGPT can help your e-commerce business by improving customer service, customer satisfaction, personalized communication, and increased sales. So have a look at ChatGPT and see how you can integrate it in your business. I hope this has been helpful. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.